This tutorial will show you how to use the Explore tool in Google Slides. The Explore tool can also be found up here under Tools. Most students and teachers just use the button at the bottom. When you click on the Explore tool, typically in slides, it's going to try to give you different ideas for your layout of your slide presentation. So you'll come up here to the top and you'll type in what it is you're looking for, the topic of the next slide, and there we go. And it'll take you to first web results for information on using for this AR and VR in instruction or in the classroom. So you can click on the link to the website, and basically that's going to take the students to the site where the information is, where they can go ahead and just do some research on the topic. If they find something of interest, let's say this picture right here, they want to use this picture, they can copy the image by right-clicking on the picture, then going back to the slide presentation. Then they would go up here and click on a blank slide. On the slide, clicking on the slide, right-click again, and then paste the image. There's another way to also find an image, but before we do that, let's go ahead and find some actual text that they could add to their slide deck. So again, I'm clicking on another link to see what's there, doing some research within the Google slide deck. And this one seems to be more of an advertisement. However, here's some information. So I'm going to just highlight this and use my shortcut keys, Control-C. Go back to that slide, and I'm going to create a text box. Once I create the text box by clicking on the text box and then dragging it to the size I want, within that text box, again, I'm going to click the shortcut keys Control-V and paste it. I don't really want this background color, so I can come over here and click transparent and it will take it away. So this is one way students can do research within the Google slide presentation. If they're collaborating and working on it with more than one student, they're on their slide looking for information, looking for images. Here's some images that maybe this one they also want to add, so they could insert it. And doesn't always come out that nicely. Sometimes it's really large, and that's when they learn how to resize using the corner tools. Now you'll notice this one that I inserted from the library here, the Creative Commons license. So it doesn't infringe on any copyright laws. It also cites where the image was gotten. This one that I copy and pasted does not. So you might want to teach students that, because it is important that's a digital citizenship rule, that they learn how to cite their work. So they could actually take this link, copy it, and create a final slide with the links to all the images that they got if they'd like to, or if that's something you would like for them to do. So that's the Explore tool in Google Slides. If you're watching this, I hope you have a lot of fun researching those ideas and curiosities that are most important to you.